If you're always on the go and need reliable power, a solar charger is a must-have. The best solar charger for cell phone keeps your devices powered using sunlight, making it perfect for outdoor adventures, emergencies, or everyday use. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Big Blue Solar Charger. The Big Blue Solar Charger stands out as a reliable and efficient charging solution for outdoor enthusiasts and emergency preparedness. Its upgraded triple USB ports, each delivering up to 5 volts 3A with a total maximum of 5 volts 4.8A, make it ideal for charging multiple devices simultaneously. The built-in smart charging technology ensures optimal and safe power delivery, intelligently adjusting the output based on connected devices and sunlight availability. This feature prevents overcharging and safeguards sensitive electronics during direct sun exposure. The solar charger incorporates high-quality solar cells that minimize heat buildup, boosting durability and extending lifespan. By eliminating front-facing metal lines, these cells capture more sunlight and offer a clean, modern appearance. One of the highlights of this device is its higher solar conversion rate, achieving up to 25.4%, a notable improvement over conventional panels. Its special polymer surface protects against light rain and wet fog, though the junction box remains non-waterproof, requiring care in wet conditions. The Big Blue Solar Charger's portability enhances its appeal. When folded, it measures just 11 by 6 by 1.4 inches and weighs a mere 1.5 pounds, making it perfect for backpacks or emergency kits. It's particularly useful for extended camping trips, hiking excursions, or areas with unreliable power grids. Its wide compatibility allows it to charge Android and Apple phones, power banks, and small electronic gadgets. However, it's worth noting that the charger doesn't store electricity and isn't suitable for charging laptops or power stations. Apple device users should remember to carry their own lightning cables. In summary, the Big Blue Solar Charger excels in performance, durability, and convenience. It's an excellent investment for those seeking a reliable solar solution for outdoor adventures, travel, or emergency use. The smart IC technology, high conversion rate, and thoughtful design elements make it one of the best solar phone chargers available today, providing peace of mind wherever you go. Number 2. Anker Solix PS30 Solar Charger. The Anker Solix PS30 Solar Charger is a robust and versatile option for outdoor enthusiasts, travelers, and emergency planners alike. Designed to deliver consistent power in various environments, this charger features both USB-A and USB-C ports, allowing users to simultaneously charge multiple devices such as smartphones, tablets, and cameras. Its IP65 weather-resistant rating ensures dependable operation even in rain or dusty conditions, making it a practical companion for hiking, camping, or travel. What sets the Anker Solix PS30 apart is its commitment to portability and user-friendly design. The foldable, lightweight structure makes it easy to stow in a backpack or attach to a tent, ensuring you always have a reliable power source within reach. Despite its compact design, it boasts an impressive 30-watt solar charging capability, efficiently converting sunlight into usable power. This enables users to keep multiple devices charged without relying on conventional power outlets. The solar charger's resilience extends to its construction materials. Durable fabric surrounds the panels, offering added protection against environmental elements, while the reinforced seams and fold lines help withstand regular use in transportation. The solar panels themselves are efficient and quick to recharge devices in strong sunlight, though, like most portable solar chargers, performance naturally varies with light intensity and weather conditions. The Anker Solix PS30's straightforward setup and operation make it user-friendly for both seasoned adventurers and casual outdoor enthusiasts. It's a perfect addition to any emergency kit or outdoor gear collection, providing peace of mind during unexpected power outages or while traveling in remote areas. Number 3. Boogostore Solar Charger. The Boogostore Solar Charger offers an impressive solution for outdoor enthusiasts who require reliable on-the-go power. With a massive 63,200 mAh battery capacity, this solar power bank significantly reduces anxiety over device battery life while outdoors. Beyond its large capacity, the device is equipped with a solar panel that allows charging via sunlight, though it's recommended as a backup rather than primary source. It also features a practical hand crank mechanism, providing an emergency power option when sunlight is unavailable. This solar power bank integrates 4 LED flashlights with 3 modes: lighting, flashing, and SOS, making it useful for nighttime camping, emergency situations, or as a rescue signal. Its durable ABS material construction ensures resistance to chemicals, heat, water, dust, and drops, making it a reliable companion in extreme outdoor conditions. The device supports fast charging via dual input ports with Type-C and micro USB options. It takes roughly 9 to 12 hours to fully charge via cable, and over 1,600 charge cycles guarantee long-lasting performance. Another notable feature is its universal compatibility.
The Boogostore solar charger can power a range of devices, including cell phones, cameras, MP3 players, and gaming devices. Its smart chip technology optimizes output for safe and efficient charging, protecting devices from overcharging, short circuits, and voltage fluctuations. Despite its bulkier form compared to foldable solar panels, its rugged design and multifunctional features make it particularly suited for extended outdoor adventures or emergency kits.
Number 4. Big Blue 28W Charger. The Big Blue 28W solar charger delivers high-performance solar charging for outdoor activities, travel, and emergency preparedness. Equipped with upgraded solar cells that achieve an impressive 25.4% conversion efficiency, this charger captures more sunlight by eliminating metal lines on the front. This not only enhances light absorption, but also contributes to a sleek, modern design. The improved cell structure allows the panels to stay cooler, further boosting efficiency and longevity. A standout feature of this charger is its built-in digital ammeter, which displays real-time charging current values. This feature provides users with useful information about charging performance, helping them position the panel for optimal sunlight exposure. Its exclusive Smart IC technology detects connected devices and delivers the fastest possible charging speed up to 5V 2.4A for a single device and 5V 4A when two devices are connected. The intelligent recognition ensures safe, efficient power delivery tailored to each device. Designed for durability and portability, the Big Blue 28W charger folds easily for compact storage and comes with 4 carabiners for convenient attachment to backpacks, tents, or trees. The PET polymer surface and IPX4 waterproof rating protect the charger from occasional rain and wet fog, although the USB ports and ammeter should be kept dry. A zipped pocket securely holds your devices while charging, but should not be used to store phones during operation to prevent overheating. Number 5. Big Blue 25W Solar Charger. The Big Blue 25W solar charger is a lightweight, compact option for travelers, campers, and emergency kits. Measuring just 4.65 times 6.42 times 1.38 inches when folded and weighing only 0.84 pounds, this charger easily fits into backpacks and can be securely hung from tents or trees using the included carabiners. Its portable size makes it a convenient power source for hiking, backpacking, or unexpected power outages. Equipped with high-efficiency N-type solar cells, this charger achieves up to 25.4% power conversion. By removing metal lines from the front of the cells, it captures more sunlight and maintains cooler panel temperatures, improving charging efficiency and extending lifespan. Its sleek, modern design and extended lifespan make it an appealing addition to any outdoor gear collection. It's also a valuable emergency preparedness tool, providing a renewable power source during grid outages caused by hurricanes, wildfires, or other disasters. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.